Welcome back to Pin Quiz channel. In this video you will be challenged to guess 50 logos in less than 5 seconds. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Enough of the chit-chat, let's go to the video. Are you ready? This logo is very easy, don't you think? It's the Netflix logo. Do you know this logo? Roblox logo. Is this familiar to you? It's from Starbucks. This logo is very famous. Have you seen this anywhere? It's from the game Among Us. And this one here, do you know it? It's Instagram. Do you remember this logo? This is the logo of our dear friend, YouTube. Have you seen this anywhere? Nike. Only true car fans know this. It's Porsche. Do you know this logo? Adidas. Guess this logo here. It's Puma. What is the name of this brand? This logo is from PlayStation. What is the name of this brand? Very good! This logo is from Lacoste. What is the name of this brand? What is the name of this brand? Nestle. What is the name of this brand? This logo is from Ferrari. Before continuing, if you like this type of video, leave your like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have you seen this logo anywhere? Under Armour. Have you seen this logo anywhere? It's Amazon. Guess this logo here. This is the logo of our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Have you seen this logo anywhere? This logo is from TikTok. This logo is well known. This brand is from Gatorade. I love this app. What about you? It's our owl. Duolingo. Have you seen this? Is Cristiano Ronaldo logo. Do you know the name of this logo? It's Apple logo. Do you know this? It's Mercedes. Do you know this? It's Pepsi Cola. Do you know the name of this logo? This logo is from Warner Brothers. This is probably known to all citizens. Bank of America. Guess this logo here. Twitter. Have you seen this anywhere? Jaguar. What is the name of this brand? Do you know the name of this logo? Pizza Hut. Is CBS. This logo is very easy, don't you think? It's Goodyear logo. Have you seen this? It's Walmart. Do you recognize this logo? At EM. This logo is cool, don't you think? It's Avengers logo. Have you seen this logo at any point in your life? Is Fortnite. Have you ever seen this game? It's Wobbly Life. Do you know the name of this logo? Pixar lamp. What is the name of this brand? Mickey Mouse. This is probably known to all citizens. It's Zoom. What is this logo? It's Dodge. Do you know this? It's Pringles. What logo is this? It's MasterCard. What is this logo? Do you know? Snapchat. What is the name of this brand? It's Stanley. What brand is that? It's Polaris. Have you seen this logo at any point in your life? It's Lincoln. Have you seen this logo anywhere? Tinder. I believe you know this. Firefox. This is probably known to all citizens. Android logo. Do you know this? Monster Energy logo. Congratulations, last question. It's Red Bull. Congratulations, you completed the quiz. And don't forget to subscribe and leave your like. Leave your score in the comments.